Hello everyone, and welcome to the video that should introduce you to getting started with Robot Virtual Worlds Level Builder. So some of you have already programmed in RobotC. This will be using the RobotC platform, but Level Builder is different in that you do some programming, but primarily it's a lot like sort of like a Minecraft situation where you're building your own world. Then later on, you'll be able to integrate robots and programming into it. So just to give you a quick idea, here's a video that shows you what Level Builder is. Okay, I'm trying to make this as quick as possible to get you guys started. You can see the basic idea. You create your worlds in here, and then you eventually program robots to complete tasks. Eventually, also, we're going to have a competition, sort of a friendly competition, where one part of the competition will be to see who can build the best world, and then the second part of the competition will be to actually program robots on one of the worlds and see who can do the best. So how would you get started on this? Pretty easy. I'm going to create a new tab in, preferably using Chrome. Other browsers may work, but I know that Chrome works, so I recommend Chrome. There's a link that you should get that I'll provide you in Teams, robotc.net, download Lego. So we hit this, and you should get to this screen. If we go to download, we want download robot 4.x for Mindstorms. Click on that. And again, I've already brought up the window, but you should see the download option over here. We're going to click on that, and eventually down on your left side, or depending on your browser, wherever your downloads are, you should get the the software open. Once you do that, install the software. It's going to be a 10-day trial version. However, if you're interested in continuing, I have 90-day permanent licenses for anyone who wants to spend more time on this than the initial 10 days. So you're going to open that file, install it. Make sure when it asks you to download additional packages, pretty much download all of those, because Level Builder is going to be in one of the packages. And once you do that, you'll be ready to go on to the next step.